we have quite the setup. So we actually have two different steer wheels. We have a deep dish and then a flat one, because we're gonna see exactly which one fits in the car better. My goal is to keep like your turn signals and your windshield wipers, like these stalks that stick out. I'm trying to keep them as close to stock as possible, as far as like the gap between where you turn on your windshield wipers and the actual steering wheel itself. Because when you get the deep dish and with the quick release, it pulls everything closer to you, so then I think there's a big gap. Or at the same time, if you don't use a quick release and you have like a short hub and a flat wheel, I think it puts it too close, and then it's kind of clunky. You're hitting the stock sticking out. So luckily our ruler's kind of floppy, so we're just gonna get a rough estimate. So I'm gonna try to just go from the back of the wheel, put it flat against that, to, we'll use this front silver piece as a measuring point. So I think it's about 2 1/8 is what we'll say. So we'll compare this once we actually get the quick release and everything on here, because I'm gonna try to keep it as close as I can to 2 1/8. So now I actually have a decision to make. So they're both carbon fiber wheels. One's from NRG, one's from D&D. We got a deep dish wheel, as well as a flat carbon wheel. So we can figure out at this point which one is gonna fit the best. And like I said, that's why I measured to begin with, because I wanted to see like if you can tell the difference as far as depth wise. This one's flat, this is our deep dish. Same diameter should be and everything. Both carbon, both awesome looking wheels, but gotta make a decision. So like I said, we have a decision to make, and I think it's pretty simple. So before even bolting anything down, I can kind of gauge that it sets the wheel so close to me that, I mean, I'd be reaching a long way for my turn signals and everything, and I just don't like that. So just to kind of mock up, to give you an idea, because like I said, this is kind of what I was struggling with. So I think we did the back of the wheel to the silver on the stock, and it's almost, let's see, about 5 1/4. Like, that's insane how much of a difference. So all right, so this one's definitely out. But before we rule this one out, so say you wanted to do just the short hub, which I thought about to begin with. So if you wanted to do just the short hub, then you would mount your wheel up like that. Obviously, you know, hot boy points, you want the quick release. But if you were to mount it directly to the short hub, it's still a little bit different, or a little bit of a gap. It's about 3 1/4. And I think we were at 2 1/8 before. But honestly, I mean, that would be livable. I mean, it's still, obviously it's not bolted down, but it's still kind of a reach to flick everything. But doable. So let's see. All right, so the easy decision, our beautiful NRG carbon wheel, that one's out. All right, so now we have the flat D&D wheel. So again, if we were to mount it directly to the short hub without a quick release, let's do a little quick measuring. Looks like it's gonna be way close. Yeah, from the back of the wheel to the silver piece, actually it's not too far off. It's right at, about right at 2. So actually it's not too bad. I don't know, just to me it feels a little bit closer. But yeah, we'll throw the quick release back on and see what the difference is. Alright, quick release is on. So this is what we're gonna be looking at. And it's still a beefy gap. Wow. Oh wait, that's not right.
Oh wow.
So I mean, we're still at about 3 3/4. So it's definitely a difference. Wow.
Second guessing this.
Now I'm kind of second guessing the quick release, but that's the whole point. I mean, it's style points. You look good. It looks cool. I don't know. Now I got some debating. Do I want to keep the quick release and use the flat wheel? Or do I want the deep dish and just the short hub? So I was finally able to make a decision. So I'm gonna tease you a little bit, and you're gonna have to catch the wheel install next to see exactly which direction we went. But I wanted to go ahead and get this video out there because before deciding, you know, what I wanted to do, like I couldn't find any videos or information as far as like the differences really between a short hub and the way that fit versus the quick release, and then especially like installing the combo of, you know, okay, if you want a deep dish wheel or if you want a flat wheel, which is the better option for you. But to me, like I said, that was one of the most important things. Was I really didn't want a wheel that sat really way too close to me. So hopefully this video will help out a little bit. So I really appreciate you all watching. Stay tuned, because like I said, we do have the wheel installed at this point, and I want you to see what exactly we chose. So thanks again for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.